Hello and welcome back to another Alex Creative Design video. Today we are back in the garage and we are working on steering.
So as you can see here, the steering was just a shaft put in a tube, no bearings, and the quick disconnect was just a pin through it, like a trailer hitch. And so as it fit the rules, it wasn't exactly nice to use. The steering was squeaky, and it's very stiff. So hopefully we're going to improve that today with some bearings and a nice new quick disconnect steering wheel.
Today we just got the steering shaft back from the machine shop. We got these bearings and then we were using the original steering shaft that we have and found out that it was bent and slightly larger than 1 inch, so it wouldn't go through these bearings. So we ended up having to get a shaft turned. This goes into the bottom knuckle. This goes into the quick disconnect steering wheel. And that's all going to be bolted up onto this plate right here. And then welded onto the tractor itself. So we'll see how that works. So yesterday we got this tacked on here. So this whole rod and everything. Made a little short about that. So you can see that. It's all tacked on, just needs to be taken off. Just has 3 bolts, so I can weld the underside a lot better. Painted, and have to drill a hole in here to pin the steering wheel disconnect on. From here to there, we'll need a new piece for. So I'm not going to do anything there, but that'll have the steering really close. That means the only thing left will just be a bar and 3 holes to drill. So that's important to get done today. So now that I've got it all welded, just going to take off the bearings, give it a quick spray with some black, and throw it on. Okay, so I'm just going to climb in, and I'm going to see where this shaft needs to be in here, and then I can lock down the little set screws in the assembly. So. Get the steering wheel off, that, and climb out. Not super easy, but not terrible either. So now we have the plate welded on, painted, ready to go, bearings in there. Set screws are set at the position for this shaft where it's going to go. The little stub is pinned through there for the quick disconnect steering wheel. Just got this 7/8 rod today, and now we have to cut it down to length to match, obviously, our connection here. So closer, but not quite. So we're going to take another 2 inches off, I think. So now I've got the knuckle attached down here. So that's attached. It comes up. This is attached there. So this is the last point or pin that I have to go through, drill through. And that means that I need to get the steering wheel as straight as I can with the wheels as straight as I can. So that way I'm not going down the track with the steering wheel sideways. Drill this final hole and get the steering finished. So I was able to get everything hooked up. Let's see if I don't fall off the tractor here. Get everything all hooked up. Looks good. So I'm just gonna put on the steering wheel here. Turns fairly easily. Not too bad. So happy about that. Thank you for watching. This has been Always Creative Design, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.